The most important word that you're going to be using on your spiritual journey is humility and humbleness. Now, a lot of y'all fail in this department because y'all get so used to Baba Google and Yanifa Facebook, Yanifa TikTok, Baba Yahoo. Like it's y'all just go researching and get the wrong information. Then y'all go to the wrong practitioners that can't hardly sit up here and read in front of your face, actually explain what it is that they're doing, and so on and so forth. Now that we got that out the way, the biggest thing is when you finally do meet a good one, a lot of us are not going to tolerate your bullshit and going to call you out on it. And since you are an adult, you're stuck in a lot of your own ways. And a lot of y'all say, hey, y'all want the healing. Y'all want to work on yourselves. Y'all want. But you're not doing. A lot of y'all can't handle the fact when we actually tell y'all, yes, your ancestors are not happy with you right now. Well, how are they not happy when I'm doing this and I'm doing that? You're doing what? A lot of y'all don't even know how to pour libations, call out your ancestors, actually have their ancestor shrine up properly, let alone actually walking in the steps with your ancestors. It has been a long time since you even gave them an offering that they actually wanted, or cooked them a meal that they really wanted on their birthdays or certain things like that. A lot of y'all don't do that. Then on top of that, a lot of y'all want to skip the ancestors and go straight into the Orishas or the Lao. And the crazy thing about it is when you are working with them, they're looking at each other like, who about to deal with this bozo? Because at the same time, they didn't skip the most important part, which was developing a whole relationship with their ancestors. Say, what's they, huh? So I'm just trying to understand. Then it is the money issue. Do you not understand why you have money issues in the first place? How many of y'all are really appeasing your Orishas and your ancestors? How many of y'all are actually getting the readings once a year at least? How many of y'all are actually getting your head cleanses once a month at least? How many of y'all are actually getting the proper readings, the proper teachings, the proper way to work with your ancestors, the proper way to work with your Orishas, actually learning the Ori prayer in the morning so you could get your behind up before 6 a.m. and change them waters? But see, y'all don't understand that because that takes discipline. Good God. All right. Good.